Hello, they welcome for Football and Pidgin. After match, talk am how you see am. Everton won and Manchester United too. And we get Oga Oke, we be like saying a very ogbonge Man U fan. You know, understand? When the match they go on, I dey hear your voice well, Oga Oke. Your voice really loud. Your teeth really complete well. Now, what do you get to talk about Manchester United performance?
Watching them play today, Sha, they're very interesting. You know, from like when we lose to Man City, the goal striker say he don't see a mistake, and true, the proof give us say he don't see a mistake. We need experience for the midfield. Like we see that pass where Casemiro give Ronaldo. If na McTominay they go bring that pass. So they say also that pass Mashot, he see him. McTominay go work that ball go back, or he go work keep the ball. But he not keep the ball, he release the ball immediately. That's why we say the coach they see a mistake, and that is good movement from the coach and from the team.
All right. You dey talk about the coach now, so Eric Ten Hag, we know say it's still early, but if you want rate wetin don dey do for Manchester United to see come from 1 to 10, now how you go rate am, okay?
For now, we'll give the guy 0% because wetin he dey do now, Solskjaer do one before. But all because give Solskjaer say, okay, go ahead, the team don't belong to you. Do what you want, because they disappoint us. So for now, if we too give her go ahead, you go see disappoint us. So let's more put that fear for us. Say yes, the team, if even win straight 20 match, you never get the team because Solskjaer don't do that before. He win one at 20 match and later he turn us down. We need Champions League qualifier, not just to win match here and at the end of the day, we not go Champions League. So we can't say he don't have the team for now. You still get 3 over 10 to become Man United manager.
All right, make I ask you about one player now. Today match, you go away score. Now make him in 700 goal. Again, Cristiano Ronaldo. What do you get to talk about this player career where you don't get for football?
Yes, you see Ronaldo today, if you watch the celebration first of all, you will know say he don't find the goal since. Before, if he score, he get normal celebration, but today he changed the celebration because the goal that they come, don't have their body since. So I would say the coach did a good job to bring him in. And before the coach, let me say God himself do a good job for Ronaldo. Because if Martial not injured, Ronaldo not go come in. And that second goal, he came in, I think, first half. Definitely, Ronaldo for come for second half, that goal for not come for second half. So now God make Ronaldo come in to score that goal. And the boy worked hard to achieve that goal because he sat at the right position. There was no defender to match him with that speed. If he was standing close to the defender, if he not get that attack, that goal. But he start for the best position to get that goal. So if na Rashford now, we know so he go start close to the defender where he was standing very far. So that's a very good position for Ronaldo to get that goal. So he watched that goal. And I thank God for us to get 700 career goal. So we hope for us to score more goals after this one. Maybe not go back to where for the come. Because we need that to give us points. Goals give you points. And without no goal, without no points. So we say thank God for Ronaldo today when he scored that goal.
All right, now, okay. Make I ask you now, before we close this Ronaldo matter, Cristiano Ronaldo or Messi, which one you go pick?
Right from when I watch ball, I've always loved Ronaldo. I love Ronaldo, I like Messi. There's a difference between love and like. I like Messi because he give you entertainment football more than Ronaldo. If we go to the same old watch entertainment, when Messi have entertainment. But let's come to goal side. Ronaldo has the goal capacity. So for me, I love Ronaldo more than Messi. But if we say let's rate football, for now, let's say Messi is better for more than Ronaldo for presently now. You can see what he's doing in Paris. Even in the midst of Neymar and Mbappe, Messi is still outshining those two players. Ronaldo, even in the midst of young players, Ronaldo is still slacking behind. If you put Messi for this Man U team, all the Rashford go say may go injury. But presently now, if you put Ronaldo for that Paris team, then Mbappe goes to score their goals. So I would say for now, Messi is better than Ronaldo. I'm a Ronaldo fan, but I will tell you the truth.
No be lie.
Yes.
So okay, make I ask you, this performance where you see from Manchester United today, now which player for Man U you think say play past all the rest Man U players?
You know, for this Man U team now, the energy of Man U is Eriksen. That's just it. If you come out Eriksen for Man U, you don't come on Man U.
So if you man of the match?
Yes, I will give Eriksen man of the match because Eriksen control the midfield. If you watch Eriksen come out for the game, Man U not come midfield again. We not see ball play again. The ball was not working, the midfield was not working again. He not play past 10 minutes when they come out, but that 10 minutes, so Everton get more than 4 corners. So you can see that Eriksen absent, there is no Man U. So I would say man of the match for Man U is Eriksen. Forget the goal where they score. Everything I get the midfield. Without Eriksen, there's no Man U. That's just the full facts.
So I want to ask you now, with what you dey see from Manchester United so far, now what do you dey predict say Manchester United go to finish this season? Which position?
For what I see this season, if Man U fit pick form pass like this before season end, if they pick form pass like this, so because this is not a form, we never win better winning. Man U never win past 4-0, we never win 4-0 this season. So if we pick form pass like this, we might end up third. I don't see second because for the second and the first, I will give it to Man City and Arsenal. Presently now, with the form where they did, Man City and Arsenal. And we know say Liverpool and Chelsea na good team.
What of Tottenham?
No, we can't put Tottenham beside because Tottenham is in a second position to Man U. They are building, and Man U is more better than Tottenham because Man U have already made team. And they just add Anthony to attack to the team, everything to attack to the team. But Tottenham, they are building a full 11. You can see that Conte signed almost 8 players and he's trying to build that team. So we can't include Tottenham. Let's get Tottenham next season. But for Man U, I would say we need, if we can make good signing for January, we are committed to be in top 4. But if we keep these players like that, we have injury coming on the way. So if we add injury to our team, we are out of the top 4. So I will give it to Liverpool, Liverpool, Arsenal, and English league. There's always one team that always comes to shock everybody every season. One team will shock, and that be Brighton. Brighton this season, they go disappoint for that top 4. So if Brighton not sit down that 6th or 5th, definitely the top 4 will be difficult for Man U unless they sign players come January. If not, don't forget top 4. This team, what they see, no. Anthony cannot give us 20 goals a season. That is just the plain fact. You go to Ajax where they buy him, he not give a 20 goals for a season. So for you to do that top 4, you need player to give you 20 goals a season. And Man U never get that player. Ronaldo cannot give us that goals because of the age. Rashford cannot give us, he has never given us that goal, so he cannot give us that goal. So we need more midfielder that can score goals. Like people like De Bruyne. We need them for Man U to assist us reach that top 4. But for these players, no, the top 4 will not. Highest now 5th top 4 will go there. We're not the top 3. I just the truth with that.
All right now, guy. Okay, thank you for your time.